Okay, my favorite top #1 choice all day is the Buzzaround Carry-On HD. This is a hot seller, okay? There are back orders from time to time. We try to keep as much local inventory as we can so we could ship it out to you, even if the manufacturer's out of stock. Great model, 400-pound weight capacity, super versatile, all the way through, checks all the boxes. My second choice, the smaller brother, Buzzaround Carry-On GB120. Why? Because it has all of the features, the tilt and roll option. It stands up when it's folded flat, 12 inches high when completely folded. You can literally slide this one or this one under the bed in your cruise ship cabin. Very compact all the way through. The GB120 and the bigger brother 220, my top 2 options. Third would be the GoGo Super Portable. The GoGo Super Portable just has the power that you're looking for when it comes to a folding scooter. It does very well. The only one to actually beat it is the GB220. So if you want something versatile that just looks awesome and it's backed by a name brand you can trust, the GoGo Super Portable comes in third for me. In fourth place, I would say it's a tie between the GoGo Carbon and the Otto. Now, the GoGo Carbon's a lot smaller. Look at that seat. It's tiny, okay? So if you've got a bigger caboose like me, you probably want something with a 17-inch wide seat or an 18-inch wide seat. This thing is tiny. I would say it's about 14 inches or so. But if you're a smaller framed individual and you've got the money, you want a top-of-the-line, super lightweight scooter that's super compact, this is going to win over the Otto. The Otto, if you're a bigger guy like me and you need the legroom, you've got bigger shoes, this is a great option. With that being said, it is expensive. If you've got the money, you want something cool, check out the Otto or the GoGo Carbon, depending on your size, your needs. Last but not least, the Transport EV Rider, which it's a great value. If you're a smaller framed person and you weigh less than 200 pounds, it'll probably serve its purpose. But for me, I weigh about 215 pounds. It's just not cutting it. I like to go to parks. I like to go on nature trails. I'm not going to be able to use this in a lot of places that I would with other models like the GB220 or the Super Portable. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. I just want to personally say thank you for watching our videos and supporting our content by giving them thumbs up, by sharing the videos on your Facebook page, and just overall, your viewership means the world to us. We couldn't do this without you. So thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment. I will reply within 1 business day.